Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. App crashes on iPhone can be extremely frustrating, especially when they happen right after updating to iOS 26. Whether an app closes immediately on launch, freezes mid-use, or crashes repeatedly, the good news is that most of these issues are software related and can be fixed in just a few simple steps. The first thing you should do is restart your iPhone. It may sound basic, but restarting clears temporary system glitches and frees up memory that may be causing apps to crash in the background. After rebooting, open the app again and check if the problem is resolved. If apps are still crashing, make sure they are fully updated. Outdated apps often struggle to stay compatible with new iOS versions like iOS 26. Open the App Store, go to your profile, and update all pending apps. Developers frequently release stability patches shortly after major iOS updates, and installing these updates can instantly fix crashing issues. Next, check your iPhone's storage. When storage is almost full, iOS cannot allocate enough space for apps to run properly, which leads to frequent crashes. Go to Settings, open General, then iPhone Storage. If your storage is low, delete unused apps, clear large media files, or offload apps you no longer need. Another effective solution is to clear background apps and reduce memory load. Close all running apps from the app switcher and avoid running too many heavy apps at the same time. You can also turn off background app refresh by going to Settings General and background app refresh to improve stability. If a specific app keeps crashing, uninstall it and reinstall it. This removes corrupted data files that may have been carried over during the iOS 26 update. Simply delete the app, restart your iPhone, then reinstall it from the App Store. You should also make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 26. Apple regularly releases minor updates to fix bugs and improve system performance. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any available update. As a last resort, resetting all settings can help. This won't delete your data, but it will reset system preferences that might be causing conflicts. Go to Settings, General Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and choose Reset All Settings. In most cases, one or a combination of these steps will completely fix app crashing issues on iOS 26. Keeping your apps updated, maintaining enough storage, and installing the latest iOS updates are the best ways to prevent crashes in the future.